Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you all my fidget toys. And I've been posting it on TikTok, but I had to delete TikTok for some reason. I don't know why, but let's get started. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and comment down below what is going to be your favorite part and what kind of favorite fidget that I have that you like. So let's get on to the video. So I have it in this little container. Okay. First I'm going to show you my bowls, my little squishy balls. Hey, stop, Mochi. I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, so this is one of my favorites. So I have to come up here. And this is one of my favorites. I got it at Jolly Junior. It's pretty good. Do you hear that? That is so satisfying. Here again. So satisfying for me. Now, this is top. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to wash this when we get back. After this video. But this I got from Texas. From the mall. Got it from the mall. I can't find any fidgets in Arkansas, but I found this at the mall in Texas. This is my favorite too. So that's all my balls, but that's it. Now I'm going to show you all three of my puppets at once. So first I'm going to show you the one that I got in Texas. One of my favorites, listen. Do you hear that? I'm going to do the much more poppy side. And I'm sorry about my brother. He wants to come in my room and play with my fidgets, but he can't because I'm making this video of showing my fidgets. So I'm going to show you more poppy side. And it's really satisfying. Puppet number one. Puppet number two. My favorite yellow color is yellow. Both sides are really good. So So that is really satisfying. I have to itch my back. Next is this blue heart puppet that I gave to my brother, aka he's one. And we're gonna do an SMR, but after I get the quieter side all finished. So let me know how I can make it more poppier, because I really don't know how to. So yeah, suggestions in the comments. So that's that one. And it echoes for some reason in my room, but yeah. So that's all three of my puppies. Sometimes I call them Pop. because, you know, pop. But I'm going to show you just one of my emojis, which is only one I have. But it's okay. It's my favorite, but I really don't play with it that much. So, yeah. But it's a little polar bear. I wouldn't recommend this in school because it doesn't make any sound. So that's that. Did y'all just see that? Now I'm gonna be showing you my Octi. My brother got one in Texas too. So happy. Mad. And right now I am happy. So yeah, that's that. Now the last and final thing is my squishies that I really like. I only have 3. 1, 2, 3. I have to bring them over there. So first, I don't want you taking a peek. Alright. So first, I'm gonna show you my least favorite. It's this one. It really doesn't squish well. And I got it in Arkansas, of course. I got these 2 in Dallas, Texas. It smells so good. And it's one of my favorites, but not my favorite. This isn't my favorite. It's my strawberry. Sorry the background noise, my mom and brother. My brother is a 1-year-old, a half one. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And I only got 9 subscribers, but subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, comment down below. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye. Hope y'all have a very great day. Bye.